Hi, I'm Jim Horton. Today we're going to take a look at the piriformis muscle to release tension. That's a muscle deep in the hip that really gets hammered when you're making left turns or diagonal movements, stopping, starting, changing direction. So Zaya's going to take a rope. We've got Zaya Wharton here with us doing the demonstration. We're going to lift the leg up. As she lifts her leg, the quad is working, hamstring's releasing. As she crosses over the midline of the body, the adductor is working, and that deep piriformis muscle is releasing. She has a slight bend in her knee to take pressure off the knee. The non-exercising leg or left leg is turned in. She's going to do 8 to 10 repetitions, not holding the position, coming in and out, releasing active, isolated movements, very dynamic, proper warm-up. Exhaling when she lifts, inhale when she relaxes.